fucking supervisor. So why was that not said?
No, it doesn't matter. We don't need a supervisor. We don't need a supervisor for that. You ran the red light. I needed your license, your registration, insurance.
How do I run the red light going 20 miles per hour?
We're done talking. We're done talking.
What the fuck, bro?
A routine red light stop in New Jersey. One driver. Multiple officers. What happens next ends in handcuffs and raises a question the law has a clear answer to.
33 and EMS 1.
Hello, good evening.
333. EMS.
What?
EMS.
So listen.
33, just starting over to 5601 Boulevard East. 5601 Boulevard East. Unknown medical, apartment 14 Charlie.
Don't make this worse than it has to. I literally just told you the infraction. I'm not gonna argue. And ask her one more time. License, registration, and insurance. Don't make this harder than it has to. Alright, step out of the car.
EMS.
Step out of the car. You're making this 10 times harder than it has to.
EMS.
Step out of the car.
To 5601 Boulevard East. Unknown medical at this time, apartment 14 Charlie.
If I have to ask you again, if I'm gonna have to ask you again.
Okay.
Alright. No, I'm not calling my supervisor. There's no reason to call the supervisor. Step out of the vehicle.
3-4, we're gonna be 19 from that N.J.S.A warning.
No.
Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor.
We're not calling nobody.
Call your supervisor. I'm literally being calm, bro. Get off of me.
Step out of the car.
What? Why can't you guys call the supervisor?
I got her on. Let's get the supervisor.
Healthy breathing, 84-year-old male.
Why can't you call the supervisor?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm calm.
Then let go.
Get off
Let's
of
go.
me. Get off of me.
Step out of the vehicle.
Why? Just call the supervisor.
No.
That's all I'm asking, bro.
Step out of the car.
Call the supervisor,
Step
bro.
out of the car.
Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor. I'll step out. Let's go.
Get out. Get out. We're not gonna ask you again. Go. Get out.
Let's go. Step out.
Get out.
Step out the car, stop making it difficult.
Okay.
All right, so step out.
You're gonna get charged with it.
Let go of
Get
me.
out.
I'll walk out, bro.
Get out.
Let
Get
go.
out then.
I'ma walk out.
Okay, get out. Get out.
Relax.
Go.
Fuck.
Let her walk out calmly.
Oh, that's it.
God damn.
The stop is lawful. A red light violation satisfies probable cause. The demand for license, registration, and insurance is mandatory under New Jersey Statute 39, Section 3, Subsection 29. No legal issue here. The exit order is equally lawful. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided by the Supreme Court in 1977, establishes a bright line rule. During any lawful traffic stop, officers may order the driver out. No additional justification required. The driver's refusal does not override it. Requesting a supervisor is constitutionally protected speech, but it carries no power to pause lawful enforcement. Officers were not required to call one, though, refusing without any safety. Justification reflects poor de-escalation judgment. The obstruction charge rests on New Jersey statutes annotated, Title 2C, Section 29, Subsection 1, which requires purposeful interference through force, violence, or physical obstruction. Passive refusal does not meet that threshold. The New Jersey Supreme Court confirmed this in State v. Crawley, 2006. An overt physical act is required. Remaining seated and asking for a supervisor is not enough. The force used to extract her is governed by Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Courts weigh three factors: severity of the offense, threat level, and degree of resistance. Here, a traffic infraction, an unarmed subject in a stationary vehicle, nonviolent resistance. All three cut against the extraction. The resisting charge falls under New Jersey statutes annotated, Title 2C, Section 29, Subsection 2, requiring prevention of a lawful arrest. If the obstruction charge fails, the arrest loses legal footing. A resisting charge cannot stand without a valid predicate arrest.
I'm asking you to call your fucking supervisor. So why was that not said?
No, it doesn't matter. We don't need a supervisor. We don't need a supervisor for that. You ran the red light. I needed your license, your registration, insurance.
How
you
do
didn't
I
give it
run
to
the
me.
red light
That's
going
it.
20 miles per hour?
We're done talking. We're done talking.
What the fuck, bro? Dumbasses, bro.
What's her name? No. You have a driver's license?
Don't. You don't need her driver's license. She wasn't driving. Because she's driving my car, yeah. She's driving my car. She's under my insurance. Not all that shit. Yeah. Can you fix my lip? What's that? Just fix my lip. That's all. I'm perfectly calm. Like, I was willing to step up, but...
Are you injured at all? Are you okay?
No, she's being arrested for obstruction and resistance. So you gotta wait for her.
Huh? She's driving down to South Carolina anyway, so she'll be here. Take her like 40 minutes from Connecticut, even. God damn, bro.
Make sure it's valid and you get to Huh? West, there's 428 60th Street.
No guns, no drugs. I don't smoke. Shit, I just got out the military. I don't do any of that shit.
Can you get in the ring?
I listen to instructions. I was in the military. I'm perfectly fine. I listen to instructions, but like, I'm truly sitting here telling you I didn't do. So if I'm telling you, but what you need is
We are on a motor vehicle. You're stopped. You're insane. Do you need a permit? You're driving a car. Like,
I'm well aware, but you're telling me I did something when I know I didn't.
Alright, put her in Ruben's.
That's my issue. Can you take this out my hand?
Where's your ID and your license? You want to give it to us or you give us a hard time?
Call to me and call my mom.
14.
I'm good.
SRU. Okay, just confirm one more time with that 39 if it's valid. We're going to have a 2-5 here for obstruction and resisting.
14. I have a BMW 320.
No, can you just
belongs
listen
to
to
a Charney Sherelle Attaway out of Meriden, Connecticut. All valid. Vehicle color gray.
Thank you.
No. You're not injured at all? You don't want to get checked out by EMS?
You know what? Even if that happened, you go to court and you fight it. But now we're waiting.
Y'all just wrong for this. Why you guys doing this?
This everything was valid for you?
You unlock this damn car.
you trying to unlock it?
Looking for you.
No, they say it was valid, the car? Yeah.
Where's the insurance of the car?
I don't know. She knows where
Yeah.
her stuff is.
You need to give me the insurance.
I don't know where she puts it. This is her car.
All right. Well,
Can you ask her where she puts her license so we can take it? We can do this quick. And
her license and the insurance of the vehicle.
I don't know where her insurance is.
514 is valid. 422 and 27.
What's this?
Yeah, it's good. It's good to go.
Car?
We need the insurance of it.
Ramos, you good, bro?
You good?
Yeah.
I'll meet you inside.
Can I close the car? The window's open.
No.
Not doing nothing.
No.
Vamos para que la policía de que la arrestaron. I think this is it.
What's her name?
Shining. Ellos no pueden retallar nada. Esto es algo tan estúpido.
Bueno, esa fue la decisión que ella tomó.
No, it doesn't matter, man. We don't need
She
to.
didn't do anything
Does she
wrong.
live here with you? Does she live with you or?
I don't live here. I live in Connecticut.
Oh, so
now.
this is the address. She lives, Charney.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right.
You guys take
We're gonna hold on to it, and I'll give it to her when we're done. All right. Have a good night. Alright, I'll follow you in, Ruben. Just bring her.
Officers, C+. The stop was correct. Everything after dismissing the supervisor request, escalating to physical extraction over a red light, filing obstruction charges for passive noncompliance reflects proportionality failures and statutory overreach. The EMS offer post-force was procedurally appropriate. The driver, B, requesting a supervisor was legally sound. Refusing to exit was not. Under Mimms, she had no legal standing to remain in the vehicle. Her own words, "You go to court and fight it," describe exactly what she should have done at the scene. The passenger, B+, cooperative, informative, and effective at keeping the situation from deteriorating further. Textbook civilian conduct under pressure. 3 takeaways. 1. Comply first. Challenge in court. Mimms gives officers the exit order regardless of fault. 2. Obstruction in New Jersey requires a physical act, not words. 3. Force must match the offense gram as explicit, and a red light violation sets a low ceiling. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.